Hello, and welcome to the JavaFX course. Hello everyone, and welcome to the JavaFX course. Throughout this series, you'll learn all about how to use JavaFX to build your own awesome desktop applications and games. So first off, what the heck is JavaFX? Well, the technical definition is that it's a software platform built into Java that allows you to build cross-platform desktop applications with a single codebase. It's write once and run everywhere, meaning that you only have to code the app once and it'll be able to run on all desktop platforms that support Java, including both Mac and Windows. This is a huge time saver for programmers, since you don't have to learn each platform's unique programming language, guidelines, app structure, and all the other stuff separately. And you don't have to code your app all over again for every single operating system. Next off, to understand a bit more about why and how JavaFX was made, let's go over a brief history. When Java first came out in 1996, the developers already included a desktop application development platform in the library. It was initially released as AWT, which stands for the Abstract Window Toolkit. It was simplistic and acted as a thin layer of access to the native OS code. This meant that all of the user interface elements were generated with simple native code, which eventually led to big problems. Because each operating system worked differently, the user interface elements would end up looking and working differently depending on the operating system. Developers often had to make heavy modifications with lots of extra OS-dependent code to make them work and look the same on all devices. Because of this, AWT was categorized as a heavyweight system, from all of the heavy code changes developers had to perform. After a while, the Java developers decided that this had to change, and they released Spring just 2 years later in 1998. This was a lightweight system, meaning that the elements were created by Java and customized to ensure that they would look and work the same on all operating systems. Finally, JavaFX was released in 2008 as a major overhaul of Spring, and included more modern user interface elements, more built-in features and tools for building applications, and better structure overall to allow for more efficient development. And so, here we are now. With JavaFX, you can easily create desktop applications that you can export to both Mac and Windows. And let's dive right in to how it works in the next video. See you then.